Hey everybody, Monday, June 17th. Here's the Astro Excel pressure chart for the week ahead. We bottomed out here at 2 a.m. We're heading up to the morning till about 10 a.m. Then we've got downward pressure into tomorrow where we bottom out about minus 25 at 12 noon. So we're getting a pretty good downward push here. And then we head back up, pushing up through Wednesday to the zero line till 1 a.m. Thursday morning. Then we're down slightly to 2200, then up to 7 a.m. on Friday, then down to 1500 Friday afternoon. That whole Friday period is just bouncing between the 0 and minus 10 area. The biggest pressure point of this week would be this push down then from 10 a.m. today until noon tomorrow, and then that move back up through Wednesday. Blue line spike peaks tomorrow, 4 a.m. Then again, after market about 1700. This one here on Wednesday hits the minus 10 line between 4 and 5 a.m. And then we've got this big spike push down late Wednesday, early Thursday at midnight, the 0 hour. Couple of pushes up till 10 a.m. and then again at the end of session 16 on Thursday. Then Friday we're kind of between the lines. We do bump the plus 10 here at 1300 Friday afternoon. So that's the quick look at the pressure for the week. Biggest moves Monday morning here down into Tuesday around noon, and then back up through the session Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday kind of sideways tracking in that 0 to minus 10 area.